So here we are with the other lower control arm. The bit I never showed you was getting this off. If you watch YouTube videos, what you're going to see is people telling you to pry in here, but why make it hard for yourself when, you know, if you have a puller and it's a fairly, you know, cheap setup to get one of these things, and just now the one thing that I had to do was get a little washer to put in front of the nose of the draw bolt. The reason for that was that the hole in the end of the lower control arm is very, very close in size to the thread of the draw bolt, and I don't believe that we would be able to get it without damaging the deal. Stop there, we go. And you can see here how easy this is coming off. There you go. That's it off. You can see where the round washer went and pushed in against the end of the lower control arm and forced this out. So there we go, real easy.